A wild deer walks out of the forest. It sees a baby sitting alone in the grass. Normally, a deer would run away from a person super fast, but this time, it doesn't run. It just walks a little closer and stares. Then it slowly walks away like nothing happened. Weird, right? This isn't just one lucky moment. It happens with lots of different animals all over the world. Dogs, elephants, dolphins, even birds. And today, we're going to find out exactly why. Quick question before we start. Where are you watching this from? Type it in the comments. So here's the big question. Why would a wild animal, one that's scared of almost everyone, be totally calm around a baby? Babies cry loudly. They wave their arms around. They don't know how to be quiet or careful. You'd think that would scare animals away, but it does the opposite. Animals seem to get gentler, not scarier, when a baby is around. Let's figure out why, one animal at a time. Let's start with dogs, since a lot of us have one at home. You've probably seen this yourself. A dog that jumps on every grown-up who walks through the door suddenly turns into the gentlest, calmest dog in the world the second a baby is nearby. It lies down instead of jumping. It lets the baby pull its ears without getting mad. That's not just good training. Dogs are really good at noticing how small and wobbly someone is. When they see a tiny human who can't even walk right, their brain says, "Be extra careful with this one." So they turn down how rough they play, almost like flipping a gentle switch. And it's not just dogs. Elephants do something even more amazing. In some places, elephants let small children walk right underneath them, or even pull on their trunk, something they would never let a grown-up do. Elephants have huge memories, and they're really smart about who is safe and who isn't. A tiny person, moving in a clumsy way and making funny high-pitched sounds, just doesn't look scary to them. It actually looks a lot like a baby elephant. And elephants already have a built-in instinct to protect baby elephants. So when they see something small and wobbly, that same protective feeling turns on, even if it's not their own baby. Here's something cool about sound too. Baby humans cry in a certain pitch, kind of high, and a little shaky. Guess what? A lot of baby animals cry in that exact same kind of way when they're scared or hurt. So when some animals hear a baby cry, their brain doesn't think human, it thinks baby that needs help. That sound just naturally makes them want to be gentle and careful, without them even thinking about it. Now let's talk about monkeys and apes, because this one is really interesting. Scientists have watched chimpanzees and other primates be way gentler and more curious around human babies than around adult humans. Why? Because in monkey families, it's not just the mom who takes care of the babies. Aunts, older siblings, even friends help out too. It's called helping raise the baby together, and monkeys are wired to feel like they should protect any baby that looks small and helpless, even a human one. A baby's big head, big eyes, and clumsy little movements look a lot like a baby monkey to them. Quick pause. If you're enjoying learning about this stuff, hit subscribe now because we're about to get to the coolest part of the whole video. Scientists actually have a name for why babies, of any species, look so cute and safe to animals. It's called the baby schema. Basically, big head, big eyes, round cheeks, and clumsy movements. All of that automatically makes any animal want to protect and take care of that little creature. It's the same reason puppies and kittens look adorable to us. Our brains just can't help it. And it turns out this cuteness rule isn't just a human thing. Lots of animals feel it too, even toward a different species. A human baby checks every single box on that cuteness checklist without even trying. Dolphins show this too, in the ocean. There are real videos of wild dolphins swimming gently next to kids, nudging them softly, staying close instead of swimming away like they usually would with adults. Scientists think dolphins can actually sense something different about a small child's body in the water, like their heartbeat or the way they move. It just feels less scary to them. Dolphins are already super gentle with baby dolphins, and that gentleness seems to spill over to any small creature nearby, even a human kid. Now here's a big idea that connects everything we just talked about. Horses are a perfect example. A horse might get nervous or grumpy around a new adult, but put a small child near that same horse, and it slows down, lowers its head, and becomes super patient, even letting the kid pet it in ways it wouldn't normally allow. Horse experts say the horse's brain basically thinks this is like a baby horse and switches into gentle, protective mode. This same kind of gentleness even shows up in wild animals sometimes, like deer and some birds, especially in places where people haven't been mean to animals for a long time. And here's why all of this happens. Scientists gave it a name. It's like a secret password. Big head, big eyes, clumsy movements, and a high-pitched voice. That combination acts like a password that unlocks a be gentle and take care of this feeling in tons of different animals. It doesn't matter what species is sending that signal. If something looks and sounds like a baby, many animals will treat it like one. Human babies happen to send that exact password by accident, just by being babies. But it's not always about love and kindness. Sometimes it's simpler than that. A baby doesn't move like danger. A baby doesn't walk tall or move fast or stare an animal down the way an adult might. So sometimes animals aren't being extra nice. They're just not getting scared in the first place because a baby simply doesn't look or act like a threat. And here's a fun little bonus fact. Baby humans don't smell as strong as grown-ups yet. Less smell means less reason for an animal to feel worried or suspicious. Now, this doesn't happen with every single animal everywhere. Animals that have had bad experiences with humans, like ones that have been hunted or hurt, don't act calm around anyone, kids included. This gentle behavior really only shows up when animals have had mostly good, safe experiences with people before. So it's not a magic free pass for every child on Earth. It's more like animals reacting to a very specific set of signals, plus whatever history they already have with humans in that area. There's also something interesting that happens over time. When an animal has one good, calm experience with a small child, it remembers that. And the next time, it feels a little less scared. Slowly, over many good experiences, animals start trusting more and more. It's not magic, it's just lots of small, good moments adding up again and again until being gentle just becomes normal for them. So why do animals trust human babies more than grown-ups? It's not because babies are special or magical, it's simpler than that. Babies are small. Babies sound different. Babies move in a clumsy, non-scary way. And all of that, by total accident, matches exactly what animals are built to feel gentle and protective around. We didn't earn this trust by being extra good. We got it because babies naturally look and sound harmless to almost every creature on Earth. And here's one more cool thing before we wrap up. This doesn't just affect animals, it changes people too. Parents who see a big, wild animal be gentle with their child often say it's one of the most amazing moments of their whole life. It's a reminder that the animal world isn't always about fear and danger. Sometimes it's about quiet gentleness too. So next time you see a dog, get extra gentle around a baby, or a wild animal calmly walk away instead of getting scared. Now you know why. If this made you go, whoa, that's cool, smash that subscribe button. There's a lot more like this coming. Let me know in the comments which animal surprised you the most.